Welcome back. Today, we're diving into something truly special. This is the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero, a name carved into off-road history. A name that survived deserts, mountains, storms, and everything in between. And now, it returns with a futuristic, muscular presence that honestly feels unreal to look at. Just standing next to it, you can't stop looking at it. The stance is wide, upright, commanding, almost like the Pajero is breathing, ready to run again. The front fascia redesign is bold and modern. Sharp LED DRLs, a new dynamic shield grille carved with deep metallic textures, and a hood line shaped like a clenched fist. The body panels are sculpted with clean precision, every line catching light like a blade. Walk around the side and you feel that classic Pajero silhouette, boxy, tough, no nonsense, but refined with 2026 finesse. Matte black fender flares, satin silver roof rails, and chunky 19-inch all-terrain tires wrapped around dual-tone alloys. It's like old-school ruggedness wearing a perfectly tailored suit. Slow-mo shot, hand gliding over body. The craftsmanship is unreal. You can feel the human touch in the design. Someone built this with heart. The doors shut with that satisfying thunk you only get from a properly engineered SUV. The paint finish looks almost liquid under the studio lights. It feels premium. It feels intentional. Cut 2 engine, bassy music drop. Under the hood, Mitsubishi has engineered something fresh. A 2.4L turbo hybrid with a combined output that pushes past 300 horsepower and torque that hits instantly thanks to the e-motor assist. The throttle response is sharp. The revs climb fast. And when that turbo spools, oh man, you hear this deep, clean growl that makes your spine tingle. This isn't just power, it's personality. It feels alive. Underbody shot, camera slides low. The suspension is a masterpiece. Fully redesigned double wishbones up front, a multi-link setup in the rear, electronically adjustable dampers, and Mitsubishi's legendary Super Select 4WD-II system upgraded for 2026. Whether you're crawling rocks, slicing through sand, or cruising the highway at 120, it adapts instantly. High-speed stability is rock solid, but off-road flexibility is insane. It's like the Pajero studied every terrain in the world and decided to master them all. Walk 2 rear, music BCOMES hopeful. The rear design is clean, modern, and muscular. Sleek LED taillights carved in a vertical blade shape, a sturdy metal bumper, and a spare tire mount nodding back to its rally raid heritage. It's a mix of nostalgia and bold futurism. Open the tailgate and space just explodes out. Wide, flat, practical, ready for camping, adventures, or a full family trip. Cut 2 interior, soft piano music. Inside, Mitsubishi has gone full luxury rugged hybrid. Soft touch leather, brushed metal inserts, ambient lighting that glows like a sunset, and a massive curved display floating across the dash. Infotainment on the left, digital cluster on the right. The steering wheel feels thick and purposeful. The seats feel like they're hugging you. And everywhere you touch, everything feels crafted with care. No shortcuts, no cheapness, just solid engineering and human creativity. Emotional beat. There's a reason the Pajero is legendary. It's not just because it conquered Dakar. It's because it represents resilience, exploration, and the spirit of going further than anyone else dared. And this 2026 model, it doesn't just revive the legacy, it elevates it. Drive shot, engine rev, camera shakes slightly. You tap the accelerator. The hybrid kicks in. Turbo whistles. And suddenly, the world blurs just a bit. It's powerful but controlled. Wild but intelligent. A machine with soul. Outro music PAKS, applause sound. So here it is, guys, the legend reborn. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero, a fusion of heritage, innovation, and pure engineering passion. If you enjoyed this cinematic deep dive and want more insane builds, more emotional reviews, and more machines that make your heart race, hit like, smash subscribe, and drop a comment on what you want to see next. We're just getting started. See you in the next one.